For my project, we are focusing on one tiny part or one niche part, so which is the fatty component of the fat component of chicken feed. The oil components which gives the poultry feed the essential amino acids and especially fatty acids like DHA, ELA, and omega-3 in general. Omega-3 has three components, starting from the precursor ELA, alpha-linolenic acid, and then EPA, and then DHA finally. So unfortunately, flaxseed contain higher ALA instead of DHA. Comparing these two, ELA and DHA is more important to our health. It is more beneficial to our health to maintain heart health and brain and so on. And then there is a need to produce a DHA source, locally produced DHA source. So currently we import these sources, flaxseed. So why not we introduce the raw materials that are high in DHA instead of ELA, and that is microalgae or any marine microorganisms that are rich with oil. The cells contain oil, and these oil have high omega-3. Because the oil content is very high, around 40 to 60% reported in the literature, meaning 40 to 60% per dry cell weight. So we get the cells, so almost 40 to 60% oils. And then from that 40 to 60% of oil, about half, I think, 40 to 50% are DHA. Compared to green microalgae, they also have high DHA, but around 20 to 30%. So in the Thrasocrite microalgae, we cultivate the cells in the closed system, aka bioreactor. So whenever we cultivate any microorganisms in a closed system, so we can control the environment, and then we can prevent it from contamination. And if contamination does happen, that is problematic to the process, we need to stop the process, and that is costing a lot of money. And then the time taken to cultivate Thrasocrite is a lot shorter than the green microalgae. So in Malaysia, so we have health-conscious consumers, so they would love to purchase designer eggs with high omega-3 and high DHA content. So there is a local study or market study done in Malaysia which studied the consumers' behavior regarding their eggs preference. So at a high percentage, they prefer, besides A grade, and then brown, and then the other one, they prefer the one with omega-3. So they need some, added value, have benefit from their eggs. So I think this project, if it succeeds, it will someday carve out a niche product from omega-3 market itself. So there's an omega-3 market in Malaysia. So the egg producers use flaxseed, and then we need to carve out. I think we will carve out one niche product, which is DHA eggs. The feasibility of this process is also related to the amount of cells that we obtain. So we need to do a lot of optimization so that we can obtain a lot of cells within a short period. The hurdle with this project is, in technical aspect, is to obtain the same amount of cells as we obtain in the lab with, at higher scale. So when we go at a higher scale, so we get the lesser amount of cells compared to the one that we get in the lab.